Grow your channel to 1000 subscribers without spending money or uploading long videos? Here's a tip, guys. I will be sharing with you how I did that to get my first 1000 subscribers on this particular channel. So stay tuned, guys, as I share with you step by step. Shorts are YouTube's version of TikTok or Reels. They are short, addictive, and most importantly, guys, they have the highest maximum reach. I mean, they are being shared to, or they are being visible to thousands, if not millions of people, right? That's why you get to see a particular short can be of a view of 14 million, 15 million. I mean, you can imagine the number of views in that particular shot. Trust me, within that in that particular 14 million views, you will have nothing less than 1,000 subscribers. So guys, shorts are really amazing. It's another fast way to grow your YouTube channel, getting to 1000 subscribers for beginners. So that's what I will be sharing with you on how to get your 1000 subscribers in this particular video. You might be wondering, what kind of shorts do I have to make to gain my first 1000 subscribers? You don't need to make it too fancy. You don't need to think of a whole lot. Just follow these three YouTube shorts tips that I will be sharing with you to grow fast. So the first one on our list is reactions. The second on our list is quick tips. No, the last on our list, guys, is story style hooks. So guys, on this particular story style hooks, this is where you get to give something that is enticing. Most people call it clickbait, right? The first thing you start with is how to gain your first 1000 subscribers. That alone is enough to make a lot of people want to know more, right? That story style hook. Now reaction, guys, is react to trending topics or videos, right? Trending topics or videos, that's reaction. I believe we've seen videos that we see a particular person reacting to a trending video, right? So that's a reaction video. I believe we all know what that is. Then the last but not the least is quick tips. Teach something useful in 15 to 30 seconds. Something really useful that you know a lot of people will learn from, a lot of people will understand in 15 to 30 seconds. Follow these three YouTube short styles, and trust me, guys, you will grow fast. Important thing is always remember to keep it simple. Remember, it's a short. Value or entertainment, any of these two, guys, do well to make sure you're dishing it out in any of your video you're putting out there for shorts, right? Value or entertainment, these two are very important in your YouTube shorts creation. Move to the structure that actually gets the subscribers, right? It's not just by putting your face out there or probably dishing out your content and you believe everyone's going to click and also subscribe. Guys, they might view your video, your shorts, but they won't actually subscribe. So now to the structure. The first 3 seconds is usually very important. I mean, the first 3 seconds equals to everything, right? The first 3 seconds is enough to hook your viewer. It's enough to hook your viewer, guys, to know what you're actually talking about or what you're about dishing to the audience. So once that first 3 seconds is over, the next thing you're doing is delivering the main message, and after that you do a call to action. If you've been following my videos, I always preach call to action. Make sure to tell your subscribers, your viewers, to subscribe to your videos, to like to your videos, and also share, as well as drop a comment. So guys, the first 3 seconds equal everything. Make sure it's concise, make sure it is important. That first 3 seconds, very important. On our list, guys, will be when to post. Yes, guys, you don't just pick your phone and you post it every time. Remember, I told you in my previous video that there is something called when viewers watch. So when to post is very important, right? The truth is, the YouTube algorithm is like a wave. If you catch it at the right time, you ride it further. It's very, very important to post when viewers are available. So in this one, I'm going to be sharing with you when I believe is the right time for a start. Remember, you're trying to get your first 1000 subscribers. So once you've gotten it right, there and then you can now refine your timing. It is expected of you to post during peak hours, let's say in the morning, 7 to 10 a.m., right? Then in the evening, we have 5 to 8 p.m. So do well to follow through this timing And with time, once you've gotten your 1000 subscribers, once your channel has acquired that growth you're looking for, do how to refine your timing. You can do that in your YouTube analytics. That's when you go to your YouTube studio, then you check out for your YouTube analytics. I have uploaded a video where you will understand how to read through your YouTube analytics. Do well to check it out, guys. Because we're almost done, I will be sharing with you a bonus growth hack. Yes, guys, this one is something you should do. You should learn to do it at every shot you post, at every video you post, right? Do how to always drop a comment. Pin that particular comment. Like I said, guys, do how to pin that particular comment. Now, in that particular comment, you're going to be asking a question. Want more? Looking out for more tips? Subscribe now, reply with your goals, whatever things you know that will engage your audience. Do all to drop it in the comment section and pin it. That alone will increase your engagement, and it will grant you more and more subscribers. This works, guys. Try all of this and you will see changes in your YouTube channel. You really don't need to overthink this. Post consistently, hook early, and deliver value quickly. Because remember, you're dealing with shorts, and the time duration for shorts is within a minute. So, guys, if you found this video helpful, do well to like this video, share, drop a comment, and click the subscribe button so as not to miss out on amazing YouTube tips I will be sharing with you on this space. See you in my next video. Bye, guys.